Oh.
Well, I had a bit of a look around at what I was going to use to replace or to cover the hole in the back of the car once I'd pulled the hitch out. I mean, I know a lot of people don't worry about it, or others just leave nothing in there, but I tend to find that they will block up with dirt and that, especially if you're driving on dirt roads and that, and I do that a fair bit living out here. So there were lots of fancy ones. I could get ones that light up and do stuff like that, but I figure, no, the first time you go through deep water, your little LED thing that you've got hooked into your tail lights is going to cause you trouble. So we'll just go with the plain plastic push-in one with a hole with the same securing pin as the tow hitch has. Now I look at these and they're $10. I figure, well, that's not too bad. And we'll just have a quick look at the reviews. We got mostly positive, but there's a few lower ones, so we'll just have a quick look and see what problems people have had. I can see this fella here, he's not re-drilled the hole, so it's sticking out a bit, but he's put a nice sticker on it, which is a bit funny. Hitch cover fitted well, but had to re-drill hitch pin to attach a vehicle. That sounds fair enough. Does the job, fits in a tow bar okay, held in place by the tow bar securing pin. However, these are only made in thin plastic, time will tell. A little overpriced, $10, mate. Good looking, but the location of the pinhole does not match that of my tow bar. He's holding the face sticking about a centimetre proud of the hitch. And that person there raises a good point. They have SUV where you can wave your foot underneath it to activate that hitch hands-free. So on this fella here said he had to re-drill the hitch hole. He had to re-drill the hitch hole. I mean, you'd only have to look at it to see that that was going to be an issue. So holes in the pin did not line up, which did not look good. Had to drill new holes. Well, I think I can manage that. I don't think it'll be too hard.